So, and we go into the part 3, how to drive on this kind of car with semi-automatic gearboxes. And as I said, it's a regular mechanic manual gearbox. So, and we drive like in manual gearbox, fully the same, just we don't need to push the clutch and to engage the gears. All other fully the same. So we can drive as we want. We can change to E, change to manual. For example, if I'm stay on the traffic light, no need to put the neutral. Much more better be in E state. And let's drive. So you can drive on E with no any problem. If the car is okay, it's not no problem. You can drive and don't do nothing like on the automatic gearbox. No problem. But if you want that your car will work much more longer, better to play with the gear selector then drive sometimes in manual mode. Like this, you will extend the life of the gearbox, extend of the life of the clutch actuator. How to do it? For example, I know that it's now will 2 bumpers. So I'm not doing nothing, I just put the manual, I'm drive, it himself went to the 3rd gear, and now it will not change to 4th. No, I'm still on the 3rd. I removed, like I did some of place on the 3rd gear and it's not changing. You see, I'm still on the 3rd gear. It was no changing, it was clutch actuator was no working. Only now it changed to the 2nd gear. Okay, now I'm put the E and continue drive. And for example, I see the red light on the front. For example, I can put the neutral and go with no gears. No gear. It will know 4, 3, 2, 1. Will know engaging. For example, I need to stop. I need to wait the green light. And on the time that I will wait, I can put the E and wait. Okay, green light, I'm start drive. That's all. You can drive as you want. For example, if I'm drive and I need to accelerate, I can use minus on the drive wheel and it will change to the lower gear. Look, oh, you see? And after it's now 3rd, and after some time it will go to the automatic mode. Automatic. Up. Now it's back to the E mode. And one more thing, if you trail the trailer, use this button, ES. Or even if you want to drive more power, or you have a lot of people inside the car, like this, much more better for the gearbox. You see, it not engaging gears on low RPM, only on high, much more higher RPM with this button. Okay, let's remove it. And as I said, I can drive in manual plus even 5, you see, all as like in manual gearbox, fully the same. Just I don't need to push the clutch, pedal clutch, and this synchronization of the clutch and gas, the car doing himself. Neutral, you see, E. No need to push the brake. You can neutral in drive back to E. It will engage gears exactly what need. Also, if you have some problem with handbrake, you can park the car on the gear, like in manual. Look. You put E, turn off ignition, first gear. I remove the brake and car on the first gear. Stay on the first gear. Now I'm back, turn on ignition with no brake. Now push the brake, make the neutral, start the car and drive again. No problem. See? No problem. Or for example, I put the neutral, I'm going on the neutral, I E, manual, second, and now I can drive on the second gear because I know that will more bumpers there. I drive on the second. Or for example, if you have some problem and you need to go to garage, much more better to use like this on the manual and use only plus. Only plus. The minus, the car will make minus by himself. If I need to go somewhere and I know that the car has some problem, you see, I can drive on the second gear a lot of time, or now first, and it will know use the clutch actuator. For example, if I have problem with clutch actuator. What else? That's all. The same manual gearbox, just with motors, with actuators. And let's drive forward. So that's all. I think I don't forget something. If I forget, I will do more video. So thank you and good luck. Good luck. Bye bye. So, and small postscriptum, very small but very important and very helpful. When you did the calibration and the calibration failed, you have no gas. It's okay. It's okay. Until the gearbox not calibrated, you have no gas, no pedal not working. And in this situation, you can start the engine and it will not start. Why? Because you have no gas, you cannot push the gas, the throttle body not working, and throttle body it's working but it's dirty. Clean the throttle body and the car will start. Yes, checked.